Hi guys, so I'm making a on a budget meal prep because I've always done this, and usually I can get out of HEB with like only spending like $45 or $50 for my whole week of food. So basically I always make a list because making a list just keeps me in track of what I'm getting in there to do. Usually if I don't make a list, I will get stuff that's not on my list, or I'll forget stuff that I need, obviously. So that's why I usually make a list, and if I go in there kind of hungry, I'll just kind of shop by what I'm craving at the moment being. So I make lists always before I go into HEB, and that helps me a lot. This is usually what my list looks like, so I'll get like sorry for my nails, they look gross right now. I'll usually get 2 to 3 things of protein. Usually I'll do 2, but I need eggs for in the morning, and I always eat eggs for breakfast. And then I'll write down 2 fats that I need. I already have peanut butter, but this was just an example, so I'm going to mark that off as soon as I get out, because I already know I have that. I always eat avocados. You could always do like nuts too for fats. Or coconut oil. I already have coconut oil as well. And then for my carbs, I always do at least 2 carbs, 2 different carbs. I'll do like Ezekiel bread, and then throughout the week, I like to have at least 1 vegetarian meal every day. So I'll make a vegetarian meal. So I'm making it's like a chicken salad sandwich that I'm making with chickpeas and quinoa. And then I'm getting organic apples because I always eat those before my workout, kind of like as a pre-workout snack. And then I usually do like 3 veggies. I did 4 this time just because I need stuff for my recipe that I'm doing for my vegetarian meal. So I have all of that on there, and then just like miscellaneous stuff, the extra stuff that I need. But yeah, that is my list, and that's what I'm going off of. And I also picked the absolute worst time to ever come to the grocery store, which is Sundays, because it's packed and everyone's off work. I usually go after I work out at like 10 or 11 o'clock at night, and there's no one there, and it's so nice. But yeah, I was gonna like video stuff I was getting in the grocery store, but probably not gonna do that since there's like so many people in there. But I will let you guys know how much my bill was afterwards. Alright, so that was my total, like the $78.65. But that was with like some extra stuff that I got, like my vitamins and like bath stuff. So I actually did subtract like my vitamins from it, and then some cream that I got for my face, and it came down to like $49.81 or something, and that was with extra stuff that I'd gotten that I wasn't planning on getting for like 2 or 3 things. So yeah, that's a good price for a week's worth of food. Alright, I'm leaving the grocery store now, and it is freezing. It's like 38 degrees outside right now, and yesterday it was like 78. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and cook everything I got, and I will probably video all of that too. So stay tuned.